really can't believe it's Christmas already, you guys. It is Christmas already. Compliments of the season. I wish you and your family a blissful and happy celebration. And please, while you are celebrating, keep watching my videos, okay? Keep watching my videos. Compliments of the season, guys. You guys, I can't believe this is finally happening. Like, see, people have dragged my neck. My friend Tele have dragged my neck, forced me and ensured that I do this Vlogmas thing because it's my first. You guys know I'm new on YouTube. Well, not new, but it's my first time doing something like this, and I'm willing to give it a try. It's not going to be easy putting out videos for 25 days, but please, when you see these videos, go hard, comment, like, share, subscribe. These are ways you can support me and also encourage me to continue doing this. So you guys, just sit back and relax. This Vlogmas is going to be lit because I have like loads of content that I'm going to put out this Christmas. However, I'm starting off this video because I want to cook, and I love having you guys watch me cook. Like, almost feels like I'm gisting with you guys when I cook. So yeah, I want to make chicken stir-fry spaghetti. I have my bell pepper over here. I have my carrots, my chicken, and my chicken breast shredded, and I have my sausages. And you guys, whenever I make stir-fry here, I always marinate my chicken like maybe a day before, or like 4 or 5 hours before I cook. I was going to marinate this chicken yesterday. Guess what happened to me? Guess what happened to your girl? I was watching Korean movie. You guys, I don't know. See, I never used to be a type to watch Korean movies. If you know me, like, you would never find me watch Korean movies. But I don't know what's happening. Of late, I watch like, and you know the thing, I know that their episodes are like up to 25 episodes. You guys, I've watched like 5. I'm not joking. I'm not exaggerating. I've watched 5 Korean movies with over 25 episodes. I just started watching another one which has been annoying me, but you guys, I'm still watching. Like I didn't sleep. I slept by 5 a.m. this morning. Look at my eyes. I'm tired, but see, I can't wait to just finish this food and go back and continue. Like, my mind is in that movie. I'm like, what is wrong with me? I never used to be the type to watch Korean movies. Even when people were watching Boys Over Flowers back then, you guys, I didn't watch it. I just watched Boys Over Flowers some days ago. I don't know what's wrong with me. Mr. Aya has threatened me. He said he will ban me from watching Korean movies. Like, I don't even know what's wrong with me. I just enjoy it. Like, and sometimes it annoys me, but I still find myself watching it. I don't know what's wrong with me. So let me start cooking. Oh yes, I wanted to show you guys this shirt I am wearing. Okay, let me move back a little. So it's an Ankara shirt. I don't know if you guys can see very well. It's an Ankara shirt, high-waisted. So Mr. A got this for me from a brand on Instagram. I'll put your handle on the screen. He got me 3 pairs of this shirt, and I love it so much. This is the Ankara one. It's very comfortable. It's very comfortable. It's very stylish. And if you like styles like this, please check them out. They have Adire shorts. They have beautiful pieces on their page, so you can check them out if you like things like this. So first thing first, I'll marinate this chicken and put it in the fridge. Let it sit for like maybe 30 minutes before I start cooking, because I have to cut all of this. So while I'm doing this, it will sit in the fridge. And yeah, my brother is coming today. I don't know if I mentioned, my brother is coming to see me today, and I have a makeup job today. So I quickly want to sort out food for the family so that I know that they have food to eat, so I can get on with my day. And yeah, if you watched to this point, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, okay? Like this video, because I am pumped and hyped for Vlogmas. So let's cook. So guys, I didn't want to bore you guys. We finished cutting everything. Actually, Precious actually cut them, not even me. So she has cut all of these. I've cut my sausages, and I put water on fire for spaghetti. What I'm doing. Precious, you are making noise. That's the time I'm filming video in this kitchen. You must. That's when you know you want to wash plates. You guys, make I don't break person picking head. So see, I wanted to show you guys something. Like, this is my My newest baby. You guys, Mr. A got me this deep fry pan. And I'm so obsessed. Like, I've never used it to cook. I've been waiting till the day I want to make this stir fry to cook with this. So I'm going to cook with this and I'll show you guys. I'm so obsessed, you guys. Like, the day we went to the store and I saw, like, babe, please buy this for me, buy this. Say, why can't you buy it? No, you buy it with your money, buy it with your body. So you bought this pan for me. So let's get on to cooking. The foodie himself. You are the foodie. You guys, meet my brother. I know you guys have not seen him, but this is the ugly boy that disturbs my life. Why are you hiding your face? And this is my beautiful baby girl over here. Say hi to the vlog. Hi. Are you enjoying your food? Is it nice?
Yeah.
Don't wash me or don't bubble me. If it's not nice, tell me it's not nice. You guys should enjoy.
Thank you.
So I'm done cooking. Everyone has eaten. I'm just eating now. And I'll catch up with you guys later when I'm about to start my makeup job. So see you guys later. Do you like your food?
That's nice, baby.
Guys, I'm about to start my makeup for my beautiful baby girl. Let's make it fine girl finer. I'm going on my vlog, so you better say your market well. Hey! So I just finished this look and she looks pretty. Turn to the other side, please. Come on. Come on. It's the glow for me. It's the eyes for me. See my next model. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
If I slap you. Guys, this is my brother. Do we look alike? We don't.
Look alike.
You don't look like
I'm
me.
just a dark version.
You don't look like me. You don't look like me. You guys wait for the transformation of my girl. She went to change her dress. So when she comes out, you guys will see the final look.
Yeah, give you a nice job, man. Hold on.
Whatever. so I've come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video, from cooking to beating up my client's face, meeting my brother. You guys will meet him again in the vlog. You see more of him in the vlog, and I might probably film a video with him, I'm not sure. But I hope you enjoyed the video. I am so tired. It is so late. It is like 8:30 thereabout. I just finished clearing up my workstation and I'm tired, you guys. I'm going to call it a night. So this is Vlogmas day 1. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.